I'm Peter Surapine, the U.S. General Manager of Glazing Vision Inc. We're based in Hartford, Connecticut. In Hartford, we're the nexus of the entire business in the U.S. operation. We run everything from project management, manufacturing of skylights, and distribution, shipping, and intake of all the parts needed to make those skylights. When I was originally contacted by Glazing Vision, they said they made skylights and were moving into the U.S. market. All I could think at that point was we have skylights in the U.S. Everybody has skylight opportunities when they're building. But when I came to the U.K. to look at the skylights that they have here, we have nothing like this whatsoever in the U.S. This is using European technology and European glass, something that we don't have whatsoever in the U.S. Between customers and architects, the first question they generally ask when they call is, do your skylights leak? These skylights it's impossible to leak in this skylight in several different terms. The mere construction, as I said, with the flush glaze and the glazing of the unit, even with the frame, the water runs right off of the glass, right off of the frame, and onto the weathering of the roof. There's no way for that to leak. The construction of normal U.S. skylights is glazed into the unit with the glazing piece over the glass, and the glazing structure is in that gasket. Condensation, when it's 10 degrees outside and it's 70 degrees on the inside, the condensation builds up on the inside of the skylight. But in these skylights, the way that it's constructed, there's a thermal break in this unit here, so that there's no way for any condensation to form whatsoever. Our unit sits onto this curb that's weathered to the roof, and sitting on the wood with our thermal bridge, there's no way for that to condensate. We do have walkable glass. This particular glass here is a walkable glass. You can put this onto your curb and walk on the top of it as well. So you can use this in a larger area. We can build these up to whatever you need. We would design the glass to that specification. But you can have a large area of your patio that looks down into the inside, and thus the inside can look up to the sky. We have a wide range of skylights available directly from our stock in our warehouse in Hartford. 2 walkable, retractable, and custom designed skylights, meaning we can meet any skylight need you have. When you have a skylight requirement, the first people you need to speak to are the professionals at Glazing Vision, the glass skylight company.